What is going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things. And guys, first look. And I think I have an idea of what these could be. I think I have a couple. These I actually got them through StockX. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't have time for nothing barely. And I gotta do what I gotta do, guys. You know, I didn't even know these things came out. I ain't on top of the news. I'm thinking about doing it. You know, I'm actually thinking about doing it and do more news and stuff like that. But guys, I like to bring more reviews and talk about sneakers and stuff like that than the news. And you know, it's like a million people do that already. But it is what it is, guys. So is the review, but I like to bring the variety. I like bringing all type of things. So let me see if these are exactly what I think they are, guys. I order, bring it. That's it. It is what it is. And yes, bam, massive cleaver time, guys. The ultimate protection, of course. Do never forget ultimate protection. Big shout out to the legend killer, RKO, Randy Orton. Yes, to all my wrestling fans out there, guys. You know, they have got a couple of things. You know, I'm not doing a lot of reviews either of clothing. Like I said, guys, it's time. It's short. I gotta get them out quick. Anyways, enough of the talking. We'll talk later on. Let's see what we got here today. First impression, like always. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got over here. Nice packaging, StockX. Nice packaging. They always got to give you the little thing over here with a little bit of hoo-ha and a little bit of ooh. And what the hell is this? More coupons. Crapola, gaga. Let's see. All right. Yeah. They are what I think it is. Nike SB. Yes. Let's see which SB. Massive cleaver. Thank you for the help. Let's see exactly which SB is this, because I actually got like 2 or 3 coming up. But I gotta see which one's these. Oh, well, that's kind of weird. Check this out. It opens this way, but the letters are this way. Could it be because of the collaboration of these shoes? I don't know. I have no idea. Nike SB Dunk Low OG Quick Strike. Very nice. I like the paper already. The prototypical. Yes. Qué lindo, bro. Nice, bro. Sabay. Wow, man. I love these shoes, dude. I love these shoes. Yes, guys. The Supreme SBs. The Supreme SBs. What a thing of beauty. So far off the rip alone. Ooh. Yes, you know, and then white. I'm a sucker for white. Very nice, very nice. Oh, very nice, very nice. Guys, it's a first look. First look, let me get all these tags and crap out of the way. Yes, add one more to the collection. Let me give you a little quick glimpse here. Of course, I need a couple of days, guys. Give me at least 2 days with these bad boys. Look at that. Look at that, man. Nicely detailed. Yeah, I like that. Very nice, bro. Yeah. Very good pickup. Already. And guys, yes, this is strange though. Usually it has a straight, you know? Wickety. This is strange. I like it. I like the box though, but the reversal thing there going on. Nice. All right. So yes, guys, Nike SB. I'm copping a lot more shoes that are not Jordans. Of course, I'm always gonna get the Jordans. That is what it is. Well, why am I gonna lie to myself? But I'm switching it up a little bit. I'm switching it up. I've left the SBs alone a lot. You know, I got a ton of ASICs and Adidas that are coming up, and obviously the members, they can all see everything that I got coming up. I think I got like what 2 months or 3 months of footages already that I've been recorded. Like I say, guys, I pump out the videos, pump them out, you know, and bring you the reviews, bring you classics, bring you everything. Because, guys, I got to take care of my music studio. I got to take care of things. I ain't got time to be wasting all day. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I just can't, you know, same way. That's why a lot of people have asked me, bro, why don't you bring the news, Primo? You know, we like to know your opinion on shoes that are upcoming and stuff like that. I might, guys. I might. Trust me, it's a lot more easier. You know, you download what is it? TBO, BBS, TBO, whatever the hell it's called. I don't even know what the hell the name of the BSO, something like that. You download one of those free app, there you go, bing, bang, boom, and you got content. You know, it's like at the same time, guys, that kind of, you know, it's not my style, because I feel like anybody could do that. But at the same time, I understand that there's people that wanted my opinion on upcoming shoes, and they want to see my reaction on certain shoes that have come out and stuff like that. And you know, I'm actually thinking about doing it, guys. You know, I'm actually thinking about doing it, and you know, it is what it is. I'll see how I'll bring it up to the high council. You know, we sounded like John Wake up in the joint. I'll see how I do it, guys, because at the end of the day, there is a lot of requests, and you know, a lot of people they don't, you know, it's just, it's like everything, guys. You know, it's, I don't know. You know, you probably guys are confused as hell what the hell I'm thinking over here, but there's so many things that at one time that I gotta take care of, and I will have to make time for this. But at the end of the day, the channel is for you guys, and I gotta bring you guys whatever, you know, is being requested. You know, this same with the clothing, guys. I can only bring clothing, but so much. It is, but because at the end of the day, you know, it's very time consuming. It's very time consuming, guys. And when it comes to the editing and doing a good job, I don't like to do half-ass crap and just slap on anything there, you know. And it's just, you know, I like to be a perfectionist when it comes to certain things. Plus, bring things that none of the other reviewers even imagine what I'm gonna come up with. You know, this is a game, guys, that you always gotta be one step ahead. You know, it costs a lot of investment. You know, if you want to step it up a notch, you got to invest a lot. It is what it is. And what I'm going to bring soon, just going to bring it to that upper level. You know what I'm saying? So these are all things, guys, that are coming with time. You got to have a little bit of patience over here, you know, and things take time, guys. Things take time. You got to have patience. Have patience the same way you got to have patience with everything else in life, the hype beast, you know how this is, guys. But I'll bring more. I'll bring you the review of the Supremes, you know, and any questions, guys, let me know. And we'll get the ball rolling, guys. We're going to get the ball rolling. Things are coming along correctly, guys. Anyways, till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. El cohete, ya tú sabes, cuidado.